guys, what's up? James here.
And Bea B.
And welcome to Manila Auto Salon. Now, some of you might have already seen a couple of videos that we put out earlier, and we were telling you something big was going to happen here at Manila Auto Salon. Well, it's right behind us here. You see, CARRYBOY is introducing a brand spanking new product for all of you. It's called the SXE. And what does that mean? It is the future of covers and sport lids for your pickup truck. Allow us to take you for the 50-cent tour. Take a walk with me. Starting with this sit-on design. If you notice how seamless that is, it doesn't protrude, it doesn't overhang, it just sits here absolutely perfect. So it looks like it's completely integrated, which really in a way it is, because CARRYBOY had this prefab and the technology they use to make sure it fits your vehicle absolutely perfectly.
Very sleek. What are those?
What are those? They're built-in rails already. Now normally you would have to buy the rails and the roof rack, but the SXE comes already with the rails, so you can just put on a roof rack which is at a perfect height as well, so you don't have to lift up too high to put your stuff in there. I'm glad you asked that, but this is the piece de resistance. I want you to do this because earlier on we were showing you hybrid versions. When I say hybrid, we're not talking about like the electric gasoline thing. We're talking about, well, part of it was electric, part of it was manual. I want you to pretend that you are walking up to your car and you have to open it up to put your groceries in, or you're driving and man on guard wants you to open the back to check.
Let's do it.
I'm not even going to tell her what button to press because it's pretty simple. It looks exactly like your key. It's got the open button. Look at that.
It's opening up on its own. I love it.
Isn't that cool? You want to see something even cooler?
Okay.
If you open this up over here, right? We've shown you before the rolling sort of plate over here, or the sliding plate. This one takes it a step further because you've got a beautiful display here that you can put for your, put anything in there. Now, if we were in the Midwest, you could put your shotgun over here and start booming around, but over here in the Philippines, we'll probably put a whole lechon or something like that over here. Or you can just put your tools, you can put different stuff. Most important, hand me that key. You can lock it as well. So now you have a double lock. You've got the lock on here, you've got the lock on here, and it's perfectly sealed from here. All that's going to be safe. But wait, there's still more. You have to do that.
We like that.
Voice, don't you? This over here slides on top. You can put other things on top here. It goes all the way out, so you can sit it. It goes even over the bed there like that, and they all lock into place. And then it locks in different stages like that. Just in case you're not on even ground, you can always have a perfect sort of setting, and it'll always be perfectly safe. Speaking of safety, I want you to close that for me, and I want to show you something.
Closing.
Closing like that. Now you know how many times you'd be sitting over here and you'd be like, oh, no problem at all. It has this function over here where it will stop. It's like an anti-pinch, so that there's no chance of you getting squashed in there.
That's awesome.
And if you're working in here, sometimes it gets a bit dark. Do you have a cell phone on you?
No, I'm sorry, no.
Well, just as well, we don't need one. I was going to borrow your light, but we have a light over here. So this will just allow you to sort of work in dark places. We've got a lot of light today, so we'll save energy, save the earth. And to think, we're talking about the tip of the iceberg for the CARRYBOY products. I mean, they cover a multitude of stuff, and we don't have time to feature all of them. So that's why we've got this link over here so that you can visit and you can see what suits your pickup truck or SUV. So to learn more about more solutions, keep it tuned in right here, because we'll be coming up with more whenever we get a chance. So till then, see you guys later.
See you.